Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon to be updated as and when I bring in new videos, and do leave your comments as to how you feel the readings are. So let's see. I feel I should pick the first card, the King of Swords. Of late, Swords cards have been coming, so I'm going to pick the first and the last card. Okay, the High Priestess. So let's first predict these two cards as usual and then go forward. Now, the King of Swords. I feel you are soaring high today, and you're very happy that the whole whatever hard work you've been doing for quite some time, quite few days, it has been successful, and you're very happy that you got the desired results. You're very happy that things are turning in your favor, and you are waiting for something new to come. I feel you're waiting for a new project to come, or you're waiting for some approval to come, or for some appraisal or promotion to come, and I feel it will come in your favor. Now, coming to the next card, the High Priestess card, you should relax your day today and read something that you like reading. You should enjoy under the moon. Maybe go for a beach drive, or go somewhere where you love spending time, and spend some time in the open sky. Just sit under the under on your terrace and gaze the moon and take the energies of the moon. That is what I feel the cards are saying. Let me just pull one more card. Okay, now that's a Five of Swords. I don't see this as a card of stress. I feel you should meditate. Again, I feel the cards are saying that you need to stress, you need to de-stress, you need to relax, and you need to spend some time, quality time, on yourself, doing things that you like doing. But still, I will pick one more card out. Yes, it says it's enjoyment time. So overall the day is good, nothing to worry, because if you see all the cards, it's good. You will be happy, things are good. But I would suggest spend some quality time, maybe with your friends or your family or with yourself. Do things which you like doing. In the morning, if possible, do the Surya Mudra. If you Google Surya Mudra, you'll get basically for you to be energetic and to start the day in a beautiful way. Also, if you have a white candle today, whenever you're free, just burn the white candle, intending that whatever is this thing that you're expecting comes in your favor, and things are good in the upcoming days ahead. And today the color should be white. If you feel you cannot wear white today, or if you don't feel guided to wear a white today, then you can wear something in blue, light blue. So the color today will be light blue and white. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.